US, UK, and German indices started the week on a flat note here. The US markets are anyways closed, but yes, the futures are trading. And now how to profit trading these five major indices today, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Since the US markets are closed, we'll first look into Germany 40 and FTSE 100, and then briefly touch base on S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow towards the end. Watch till this is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, Germany 40, followed with FTSE 100, and in the end, S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow. Watch DAX on the hourly charts. Look at the formation rise, consolidation, consolidation. So this is how it has been trading. You can clearly see it is trying to form a pattern. Also, the second thing here is the bullishness getting diminished after a good rally. Just wait for it to confirm a reversal. Any drop now below 2860, 2820, and then 2790. If these three levels are taken, we can look forward to a correction towards 2750. Right now, what is happening? It is staying sideways. I will wait for a breakout either which ways. If it stays above 2930, 970 zone, stay bullish for 21,020, and then I will be looking forward for Germany to strike these levels here at 2120, 140 levels. The stochastic overbought, while the MACD after the crossover trying to retrace a bit. RSI overbought here. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts. Moving average is trading with divergence and bullishness. Only thing to note here is the bullishness getting diminished. Wait for a breakout. Any move beyond 21 930, 970 zone certainly is a good indication of another round of rally here, while a reversal confirmation is only below 2868, 20. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. And see, this is at an extreme level here. RSI overbought, so things are overbought here for Germany, and thus at these levels you have to be cautious, but it is not showing any signs of a pullback here. Yes, trading in this channel, the lows of the channel now towards 2868.20, below which, and then 790, below which you can expect 2750 as the next targets. The stochastic trying to cool down. MACD trying to cross over for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI extremely overbought. Things are slightly overbought here for Germany 40, but yes, it is not showing any signs of a pullback as of now. If you see the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD extremely overbought. RSI extremely overbought. So things are definitely overbought here for Germany, and hence if you see it hitting 2140 zone, we can expect a pullback from there. Now on the daily chart, see similar observation here. Rise, retracement, rise. It may try to stay in a range bound zone before giving a pullback or a breakout here. Now for the day, the downside appears to be far below towards 20,600. So if it trades below 2760, you can expect a further correction towards 2700 and 600 zone. Possibility is there. Trading with too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Either it trades in this fashion, wait for the moving average to come up and then break out. So this is what it can deliver. Yes, it is slightly overbought on the stochastic and the smaller time frame, but the MACD is still looking upwards, aiming to achieve higher highs. RSI overbought here. So looking at this, if you see Germany 40 today about 2930, you can buy, expect 2960, 970. See, I will say till 21,020 levels, you have to be careful. Once it breaks beyond 21,020, you can just stay bullish from there. Expect 21,100, 120, 21,100, 140 levels as the next targets. Beyond 21,140, sky is the limit. Though I'm not so strongly bullish as of now for Germany 40 today. It can possibly show a slight retracement or stay in zone or show you swings. So this is what is my expectation. On the downside, you can sell here at 2860 levels, expected to move towards 2800 as the 2820, 790 as the first target levels, and then below that 2750. If it trades below 2750, stay short for 2710, and then 20,660, 600 should be there. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to UK. UK 100 also was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period. Now it is very clear we can sell only if it stays below 8480 levels. There is a slight gap which it would try to fill at 8440, 8420. So below 8480, slight bearishness might prevail towards 86, 8450, and then 8430, 8420 zone. Stochastic rising from the double bottom. MACD is right now crossing over at the top, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. It was staying strongly overbought here. Coming to the 2 hour chart, similar formation here. See, rise, consolidation, rise, retracement, and see a breakout above 8520 is where definitely you can say that the bulls are here, and just stay with the buys here. But as long as it fails to break beyond 8420, I will not be trading the UK 100 is bullish. Let it break beyond 8520 in order to confirm the reversal and the rally here. Here's the stochastic at bottom. Look at the MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. It can retrace. RSI just trying to come out of the overbought zone. Look at the 3-hour chart, strong divergence from the 20 period. It can try to converge, and this is a good rally which it has shown, which has brought the prices to the record levels, and thus below 8480 we can expect more bearishness today. Be mindful of this. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trying to cross over for a sell. RSI overbought. Things are overbought here for UK 100 as well. And on the 4, similar observation, slight retracement. See, swing is created and now it is looking downward. So possibility exists that we may see a slight down move. A slight down move means it can in fact move towards 8460, 8440, or in fact 8420, 8400 levels as well. Yes, the indicators are trying to cool down after a stronger run here. Coming to the daily charts, what has happened? It was outside Bollinger Bands. It is opened with the flat top, trying to retrace, trying to erase. Only bullishness today is if you see it is staying beyond 8520. Remember this fact. Only and only if UK 100 trades above 8520, we can say that the bulls are back. Else, what is happening? 3 bullish candles here. Possibly it may begin with a little retracement here, where the prices can come down towards 8400, 300 zone as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. So looking, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 8510 levels, expect it to move towards 8525, and if that is taken, then you can just stay bullish for 8540, 8558, and 8570 levels. Beyond this, 8600 is a must. Chances for this appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 8480, expected to move to 846668 zone, first target zone, 8450 second, and then 8435. Below this, 8420, 8400 should be there. Below that is where a stronger correction should be seen. If not today, then with the next trading session. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to S&P 500. Now, before we move to S&P 500, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, S&P 500 after trading with divergence and strong bullishness till towards 6020, it is now erased the gains. And now see what is happening. It is started on a bearish note. It is just under retracement. We have to wait for it to stay above 60.05, 60.10 zone. That will be the confirmation of reversal. So if you see it is staying above 60.05, you can buy. Expect it to move towards 60.12, 60.20 zone, and beyond that we can look forward to a stronger rise here. But right now what I can see, after the drop, it is under retracement, and possibly it can follow with another round of drop which can take the prices towards 5985, 5980. And if S&P trades below 5980 today, then only we should treat this as bearish. Here the moving averages are bullish. The MACD has crossed over for sell. RSI running flat here. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation after the rise retracement, now it is trying to bounce back here. Also notice we have to wait for it to just trade below 5985 levels. 598580 should be a very good support, then 5970 the third. If these three levels are taken, stronger correction is on the cards. Stochastic has dropped, MACD just crossing over for sell, RSI flat. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, after a couple of retracement candles trying to bounce back, see higher lows and higher highs. So let it come out of this channel in order to confirm further bearishness. Moving average is crossing over here, very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic has dropped, MACD trying to cross over for sell, RSI near to top. And similar observation on the 4-hour charts, it is showing a reversal sign, and after that the retracement. So it is very, very important for the S&P to trade beyond 60.10, 60.20 zone in order to confirm reversal. The crossover is the moving average is definitely a good sign for the bulls. Coming to daily, similar is the observation. Remember, it is trading almost at the peak here. It can try to reverse and erase some of the gains from the last week and the last trading session before it takes a real direction here. And that is why I say below 5985, 5980 is where the real bearishness will be seen, and then prices can keep moving towards 5940 or in fact lower levels here. Yes, notice that what S&P is doing, it is very, very important to note. See, it has come out of this channel and it is verge of breaking here, and that is where 60.20 and 60.50 levels are crucial here. See, it has formed a double top also from the preceding week. It can try to stay in the box before bouncing back. Yes, things are slightly overbought, but look at the MACD just crossing over here at the bottom, looking upwards. Sign are supportive of for further bullishness. RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy S&P if you see it is staying above 60 005, expect 6012 6020. If 6020 is taken, close your eyes, stay bullish. You can look forward to 6040 6055 levels. Beyond this, sky is the limit on the upside, where we can expect it to move towards the record levels again. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at now 5985 levels, where you can expect 5978 very nearby, then 5970 the next. Once it breaks below 5970, stay short for 595040 at the next, and then 5920 should appear, which should be the next support levels here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Tech 100 is seen taking support here at 21,400 levels. Let it break below this. 21,400, 360 is going to remain the prime support. 21,400, 360, 330. If these three levels are taken, then you can expect it to move lower. How lower? We can expect 21,250, 260 as well. What is happening here? After the dip, after the drop here, it is just trying to consolidate before it takes a direction, and thus it is important that on the upside till 21 470 500 zone is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. Though the stock is still rising, but the MACD has crossed over and the RSI running flat. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. After the drop, trying to bounce back, trying to rise here. The moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence and bullishness. If you look at the stock, I think this has dropped. The MACD trying to cross over for sell. The RSI running flat. And on the 3-hour charts, if you notice, see, after this rise, what has happened? It has come down towards the 2050 average. Now, this is the second round of rise, so it can come down towards the 2050 period moving average, which is sitting right now at around 2250, 300 zone. So this is something you should watch out for. Yes, the indicators have dropped a bit. On the 4-hour charts, also similar observation, nothing different. The crossover in the moving averages is a very important sign. It is a good bullish sign here. And on the day, similar observation is seen. See, possibly it can create a lower high, means it can move towards 21 450 470 and try to reverse again. There is a possibility of a reversal which cannot be denied from the current levels. Notice that the Tech 100 is trying to do this, where it can stay in this bearish channel, and where the chances of a reversal very high for a Tech 100 here. Stochastic overbought, but the MACD has just crossed over at the bottom. This is a good sign for the bulls here. RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 2440 levels here. Expect 2470, 2510, and if 2510 is taken, I think there is no point to stay with the shorts here. Expect 2560, 2660, 710, 800, anything and everything possible. I have mentioned one thing very clearly: the 21600 and 800 zone is going to remain the most critical zone for Tech 100 on the upside. On the downside today, the selling entry at 21,390, 380 can be taken. Expect 21,350, 320, 21 260, 250 at the next, and then below that 21 2, below 21 200 there is no looking back. Let's move to Dow. See, US 30, after retracing towards 20 period, it is forming a reversal sign, trying to bounce back. Now we know that the support levels here at 43 440 is very strong, and thus only bearishness today in US 30 is, if you see, it is staying below 43 440 420 zone, and then below that you can expect a very good round of drop towards 43 350, 43 200 levels. Right now it is bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are having little room for further rise. Look at the 2-hour chart. Similar observation, a reversal sign is seen, and now second bullish candle, and it is still looking upwards, so it is still staying bullish as of now. Stochastic at bottom here, while the MACD and RSI is showing slight signs of bearishness. On the 3-hour chart, similar observations here. Yes, trading in this channel, the lows of this channel are towards 43 400, and notice this is the support zone which it needs to break at, that is 43 100 080, below which only it should be treated. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD just crossed over for the sell. RSI very near to the top. On the 4-hour, similar observation here. See, after showing the reversal, it is retraced, and now it is very crucial for US 30 to trade about 43 580 600 zone. If you see, it is staying above 43 580 600, possibility is high that we may see it moving towards 43 710 720, or in fact 43 750 800 zone as well. Indicators are trying to cool down. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI is staying overbought. On the day, the observation is similar. Now remember what has happened here after bit consolidation, a good breakout. Now after consolidation, it can deliver second round of a rise here, and which can take it towards 43,800 levels, which should be the next resistance zone. But I'll be skeptical about it. I'll be definitely watch out how it gives a breakout and which direction it gives you a breakout. Now it is important to note that it is started on this flat knot today, and thus if you see it is staying above 43,530 550 zone, you can expect it to rise beyond 43,600, and once it trades beyond 43,650, stay bullish for 43,710 43,800 levels. So yes, a good buying entry today appears to be at around 43,530 550 zone for US 30, but then till 43,650 you have to be cautious. Then in fact you can expect 43,800 as well. On the downside, I will now recommend a selling and trade 43,440 levels, expected to move towards 43,400 350. And if 43,350 is taken today, you can just stay short for 43,200 levels possibly. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.